Central Government Minister for External Affairs, பிரியப்பட்ட சகோதரர் முரளிதரன் ஜி அவர்களே, former President and former Governor, பிரியப்பட்ட நேதா குமணம் ராஜசேகரன் ஜி அவர்களே, National Vice President, பிரியப்பட்ட சகோதரர் அப்துல்லா குட்டி அவர்களே, முன்னாள் நம்முடைய ஸ்டேட் பிரசிடென்ட் பிரியப்பட்ட சகோதரர் கிருஷ்ணதாஸ் அவர்களே, ஸ்டேட் வைஸ் பிரசிடென்ட் பிரியமான ஏஎன் ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் ஜி அவர்களே, என்னுடைய சக பிரபாரி பிரியப்பட்ட சுனில்குமார் எம்எல்ஏ அவர்களே, சகோதரர்களே, சகோதரிகளே, today is a very important day in the history of Bharatiya Janata Party Kerala. Why I am saying this? We are going to bring an oath today that, as it was mentioned in his speech, State President has very clearly said that we are the single largest party contesting the maximum number of seats in Kerala. We are not going to be the single largest party contesting, but I am sure we are going to be the single largest party in the number of seats also. Communist has failed not only in Russia, not only in China, not only in Cuba, everywhere in the world, and in our country also. It is rooted out in both the states, West Bengal, no communist. Formerly only communist, now no communist. In Tripura, they have been pushed to the second question, they will never come back to the power. Kerala is their last citadel, which they are very fastly losing than any other place. It was a red party previously, now it becomes the yellow line party. From Namboodiripad it has come down to Pranay Vijay. From Achyuta Menon it has come down to Kodiyeri Balakrishnan. People are not, you cannot fool everybody for a long time. You can fool somebody for some time. You cannot fool everybody for a long time. That communists always forget that. They are thinking they are the most intelligent and they can do and undo anything where they are strong. That was mentioned by our state president in his speech. In one municipality previously, Andur municipality, there is no democracy. Only CPM can contest and CPM can win. If anybody contests alone, they will automatically win. It's not only CPM. This time, first time, it is not Congress, it is not UDF. It is BJP which is facing the CPM in their stronghold. It's needless, I have to add that BJP and RSS is the single largest organizations from which lot of people sacrifice their life. From J. Krishnan Master to so many. So it is the time for us to bring a change in Kerala politics. A change for political change alone is not our aim. A change in political, but a change in social also. Social reforms have to come up. the living standard of the ordinary Keralite should go up. People used to say, red denotes poverty. But we have to believe in one thing. Where red is strong, the poverty is a permanent factor. Nobody can eradicate it. People say in China we have come up. In China, communist government is there. There is no communism. In Vietnam, communist government is there, but there is no communism. So why I am telling you repeatedly this is the time we have to defeat both UDF and NDA. We have to emerge as the strongest party. Our All India party wiped out the communist in Tripura. Now, no communist in West Bengal, but all the violent communists were switched over from CPM to Trinamool Congress. That is their last resort. They will get defeated there also. We are going to defeat Trinamool Congress also in the coming state assembly elections. That is sure. So only very few are left. You know very well. Left is no more in West Bengal. In Kerala also. We have to work and see that both the fronts are defeated in Kerala for the economical development of Kerala. Their policies are always against the society. Their policies are always against the development. Their policies are always against democracy. Their policies are always against the individual freedom. Their policy is for arrogancy. Their policy is for untold dictatorship. So we know we can defeat them. We have to believe we are going to defeat them. We have to work with that belief that we are going to defeat them. All India Party is concentrating more on Kerala. Why we are concentrating on Kerala is very simple. It is not only the land of human being, but it is the land of God, where the culture born, our Indian culture born, our Indian culture grow, our Indian culture will get represented over centuries, So, I am very strongly believe my former colleague, we both were sitting in the opposition in the parliament, fighting with each other. I never thought it will happen so quick that I will be sitting with him on the same dais. Abdullah Putti is sitting with me. I appreciate Abdullah Putti, who has come out from the CPM clutches, not only the CPM clutches, he has come out from the fundamentalist also. We both worked together in two parliaments in, I think it is 12th and 13th Lok Sabha, we went together. So, it is a good change. The real people who wants India to come up on the top of the world like Abdullah Putti are coming out. Those who are selfish for their personal motive, who wants to use the political tool for their personal benefit, those who wants to use the political tool for their party ends, they are opposing us. those who want really a change for good are supporting us from everywhere. I am assuring you one thing, myself and our Sunil Abalaji, MLAG has come down here just to help you out, and be with you to achieve our goal that defeating both UDF and LDF in the coming elections, whatever may be the election, it is a local body election, or it may be assembly election, or it may be the next parliamentary election also. How you all know very well how UDF has won 19 out of 20 Lok Sabha. It is because the hard work we have put in. The benefit this time has gone to the UDF, but next time I don't think that will happen, because now Kerala people start believing the real alternative, the bogus party is in Kerala is only BJP, nothing else. That is the confidence Kerala people are getting. We have to reach them out, we have to get their support, and we have to see the next elections are BJP's victory is ensured. I am very sure we are going to win, but we have to win in large number. Large number. We have come across a very vibrant past. We have done lot of sacrifice. Most of our colleagues have lost their life for this party and this philosophy. The philosophy of development. That's why our Modiji has said, no philosophy can stop development, whatever may be the philosophy. We are ready to die for the development. We are ready to do anything for the development. We want to eradicate poverty from the downtrodden of this country. So Kerala got all the resources. What not Kerala is not having. Only one thing Kerala is not having, that is we have to eradicate this communist mindset. Whether it is Congress is also having the communist mindset here. What they have done in all these years when they were in power for the development of Kerala, they might have done one rail get stopped in one constituency. That is their achievement. How many new rails they have introduced? How many new roads they have introduced? It's nothing. Nothing. Even four-way roads in Kerala, it is because of Vajpayee it came down. Now, when Rajgopalji was there as the minister, lot of development in the railways. More new trains have been introduced. Then he said that I will give one bench for, when he was the Law Minister, he said I will give one bench for Kochi. That was opposed by that then Chief Minister, A.K. Nayanar, that you can give benches to the schools. You need not give a bench to the Kochi. That means what? They couldn't provide the benches for the schools. This is the achievement of the communists. So these two fronts should be defeated for the betterment of Kerala, for the betterment of Kerala state, for the betterment of the country. So with these words, we both came here not for anything else, to support you, to be with you, to achieve. BJP is the #1 victorious party in Kerala. That is going to happen tomorrow. We should all work together. Thank you so much.